Hi friends, in this video we will be discussing about optimal page replacement algorithm. So the optimal page replacement algorithm, we will be replacing the page that will not be used for the longest period of time. We will be finding a page which will not be used for longest period and we will be replacing that page. So the disadvantage is we have to predict the future, that is we have to predict which page will not be referred in the future. So that is impossible to have the knowledge about future references. This is the problem with optimal page replacement algorithm. So as we said, the basic idea is find a page never referenced in the future and replace it, or else if no such page exists, find a page that is referred farthest and replace it. That is, we have to find a page which will not be referred in future at all and we have to replace it. If no such page exists, then find a page that is referred farthest and replace it. So let us see an example here. So we have given a reference string and this is what the reference string is, and with 3 page frames we have given 3 page slots. So now we will be going to perform this replacement. So whenever there is a reference for 7 page is not in the memory, so page fault has occurred. So whenever there is reference for 0, page fault occurred, reference for 1, page fault occurred. Now our memory is full, page frames are full. Now when you see that a reference is made for 2, a reference is made for the page 2, now we have to replace, and using the optimal page replacement algorithm we have to find a page which is referred farthest in the memory string, thing. So suppose you think for see for 7 is referred here. When you see for 0 is referred next itself. When you see for 1, it is referred here. So when you see this 0, 1 and 7 is referred farthest, so 2 will be replacing 7. So 2 is replacing 7. So next there is reference for 0, so 0 is already present, so no page fault. So next reference for 3. Now again memory is full, 3 should be placed in a page, so some page has to be replaced. So again using optimal replacement we have to see 2 is referred here, 0 is referred next itself, so 1 is referred here. So when you see 0 is referred next itself, 2 is referred here and 1 is referred at the farthest, so 1 will be replaced by 3. So 3 will be replacing page 1. Okay, so next comes again 0. So 0 is already present in the memory, so it will be no page fault. Next comes 4. Again memory is full, again we have to see the references. So when you see 2 is referred here. When you see 0 is referred here, and when you see 3 is referred here. So 2, 3, 0. So 2 is most frequent, next is 3 and next is 0. So the farthest is 0, so we will be replacing 4 in place of 0. So again when you see for page 2 is already present, no page fault. 3 already in memory, no page fault. Again comes 0. Now whenever we have to find a place for 0, we have to replace a page. Again we have to see the future references. So 2 is referred here itself, 3 is referred here itself, so 0 is referred here. So when you see 3 is frequent and 2 is next frequent and 0 is the farthest, so 3 is the 3 is referred here itself, 2 is referred here itself, and 4 is never referred, so 0 will be replacing 4. So again when you see for 3 already present, no page fault. 2 already present, no page fault. Again coming to 1, page has to be replaced. So again we have to find, so you can see 2 referred here itself, 0 referred here itself, and 3 is not referred anywhere, so we have to replace 3. So 1 is replacing 3. Next again for 2 already present, no page fault. 0 already present, no page fault. 1 already present, no page fault. So again coming to 7, now we have to find a page to replace. So when you see find a page to replace, so 2 is not referred, 0 is referred here, 1 is referred here, so 2 is not referred, so 7 will be replacing 2. So this is how replacement will be going on, and you can see how many page faults we will be getting: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are total 9 page faults, which is better than first come first serve what we have seen in previous. And this will be the minimum page faults, that is why it is the algorithm is given optimal page replacement. But in practical it is difficult. Why? Because we cannot predict the future page references. Thank you. Hope you understood.